Hi, come on in. If you love all things crochet, you are in the right place, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful summery irregular net stitch. It's really simple to do, makes it very quickly, hits a one row repeat, and looks the same on the back as it does on the front. Materials that you need for this will be in the description box down below. If you don't have everything that you need, then please pop this on your watch list and you can come back when you do. And to start, we will use a foundation chain of 2 and then add 4 at the end. So even numbers and add 4. I'm only going to make a small swatch, and we'll start with that slip stitch like that. And if you do need more information on how to do the slip stitch and chain stitch, I do have a tutorial on that on my channel. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I'll continue to make a small swatch for myself. You make it to the length that you need your project to be, and I'll meet you back when you've done that. So I have made a small swatch of 16 and then added my 4 extra stitches. And to start this, we're going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. So that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now obviously you can work in through the front of these, and I often do, but to get the best finish you are better to work into the small bumps that you see on the back here. Just those small ones you can see there, you are better off to work into those. That one's right there. It gives a more even finish and just looks better. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it over, and we are going to start with a UK treble crochet US double into that stitch right there, into that chain stitch. Pull over and pull it back, 3 stitches, 3 loops, sorry, on your hook. Pull round, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Do 1 chain, miss a chain stitch from the bottom foundation chain, and work into the next one. And again we work into that back loop, and we're going to do another UK treble US double, and this is what forms our foundation row. We will work another chain, skip 1 and into the next one, roll around in through that stitch right there, pull round, pull back through, pull round, pull through 2, pull round and pull through 2, and then a single chain. And it is just that the whole way along. Missing 1, UK treble US double into that one, and then a single chain, and I'll put that on the screen for you as well. Complete that along the rest of your foundation chain, and I'll meet you at the end. I've done my 1 chain and I'm on my last stitch, and again that's just the same as the others, UK treble, US double crochet in that last stitch. And then we're going to do 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and turn our work. Now this is what will form our 1 row repeat, and will be what you will make on the rest of your project the whole way up. And again, really simple. So we are putting a UK treble crochet US double into this stitch here, but we put it in where that 1 chain has been. Pull through 2 and pull through 2, a 1 chain, and then we'll go into the next hole right here where your chain stitch was with a UK treble US double, 1 chain, and again into the next, and that's what we do the whole way along, and I'll meet you at the end. So we've just done this stitch here, 1 chain, and then we're going to work into where Our chain was on the last one with a UK treble, US double, and then 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and turn our work, and we'll repeat the same row over again. I'll do it one more time with you. So that first UK treble, US double in that first hole right there, 1 chain, and again into the next. Really light and airy, makes lovely summer blankets or summer tops. Really beautiful and very simple and quick to make up. And then you would do your chain 3 and turn to start again. So simple, quick and easy. Let me know what your favourite summer stitch is in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my tutorials. And all that's left for me to say is thank you for joining me, keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.